Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I am making Hawaiian macaroni salad. Now I have searched the internet for you and come and looked at all the different recipes for Hawaiian macaroni salad. It's kind of interesting because there's a lot of similarities and then there's a few different twists and turns that you might not expect when you're looking at it. But I took what I thought were all the best ingredients and the best recipe, and I mushed them all together into one. So you don't have to play around. You can just know that I am showing you the best and most delicious Hawaiian macaroni salad for your potluck. Are you going to a potluck for Memorial Day this weekend? You should bring this because people will love it and they'll be impressed because it's really good. I have 1 pound of elbow macaroni here, and you don't just cook it al dente. You don't even cook it past al dente. From the ones that I've looked, you want it really nice and squishy, okay? So this said 10 to 11 minutes for al dente, so I actually cooked it for 15 minutes. It's really, really squishy, but we're gonna have some veggies in there to give you some texture, and you want it that squishy because it's so soft, it's going to absorb the flavors better of the dressing that we're going to be putting in. And wait till you see this dressing. It's really, really good. First, though, before we do that, 1/2 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. That's a lot. Now, I saw several recipes. Some of them said 1 to 2 tablespoons. Some of them said 1/4 of a cup. So you could try different ways. I happen to like this. I like the tartness that the cider brings. But if you don't think you'll like that, once you cut that in half and then you can just add more, okay? But you want to stir this around, and we're going to let that absorb while I make the dressing. For the dressing, I have already put in here 2 cups of whole milk and 2 cups of mayonnaise, and I'm adding to that 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I went ahead and just put those both in here, and then that's our dressing. Doesn't it sound good? This would be good on salad. Just like, you don't even have to make the macaroni salad. Just make this dressing and put it on your salad. Okay, we have a nice dressing. It's all mixed. Okay, I want to hold this up close to you so you can see. It's cooled off a bit, which you probably can't tell by looking at it. But also that vinegar we put in there is almost all absorbed. Now, I am putting in 1 cup of frozen peas that are thawed. If you have canned peas, use those. This is about 1/2 cup of chopped green onions, about 4 of them. So, depending on how big your onions are. 1 large carrot shredded. I shredded these on the small part of the grater, or the shredder. And this is probably closer to 3/4 of a cup. It was 3 celery ribs, finely diced. I also saw that sometimes in this salad that they will put cubed Spam in here. Now, if you're a Spam person, that would probably be delightful. I don't eat meat, so I'm not putting that in here, but go ahead and try it and let me know. Okay, I am reserving 1 cup of this dressing. We're gonna let this incorporate into this salad for about 2 hours. Let it cool off. Just get completely chilled in there. And then we're gonna add that last cup back in. Doesn't that look delicious? You know what I think would be good in here? I haven't tried it yet, but some pineapple chunks. I mean, we're talking Hawaiian here, right? I didn't see that in any of the recipes. If you've seen that, let me know. But I did look for what I thought was authentic, and this seemed to be a mishmash of several different ones that I thought looked the best. All right, we're gonna be back in a couple of hours, and then you're gonna get to see this come to fruition. We'll see you back here. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider doing that? And I will see you back here in a couple seconds when this is all nice and chilled. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on, and I already added the rest of that dressing, and I put it in a fancy little bowl. You can see this. Look at how beautiful this looks. Wouldn't this look great on your table next to your barbecued chicken or your barbecued ribs? Or your barbecued hamburgers or your barbecued hot dogs? Anybody would love this salad. Something a little bit different. Well, not if you're in Hawaii. This is really good. Try this. Try this for your Memorial Day potluck. 4th of July is coming up. People are getting out. People want to try new things. Try this Hawaiian macaroni salad. See how you like it. Thanks for watching. You take care now.